He's done. He's done.
He's done.
He's done. Boom.
Ooh.
Yep.
Winner.
There we go.
Yeah.
Woo!
All right. Got a text message.
From who?
One of our 10 million viewers thinks he's got a myth for us.
Okay. Okay.
This man says that you will, in fact, lose cellular service if you walk into an elevator. What do you think about that, Ryan?
I think that's plausible.
Plausible?
Yeah.
We should test it.
We should.
But, you know, since we don't have an elevator handy, we're going to use a microwave instead.
Because it's the same thing!
What are the physics behind this myth, Ryan?
Well, you see, the microwave is a Faraday cage.
What is a Faraday cage?
It is a cage
Oh, really?
invented by Faraday.
Oh, I didn't know.
And it shields radio waves.
Shields radio waves. Well, I have a phone.
Yeah.
And you've got a phone. And our lovely cameraman has a phone. So we've got 3 different phones and 2 different service providers. I think that's enough to test this myth.
I think so too.
So Ryan,
Yeah.
we've got all of our phones here. How do you want to test this myth?
Alright, well, I think we should call the phones outside the microwave for control. And then we will call them inside the microwave to see what happens.
Alright, that sounds good to me. So you take your phone, and I'm going to give you a lovely little call here.
Alright. Wait a second. Oh, okay. We got it. And I'm going to reject it because I don't like them.
Ryan! Fine. Stick it in there.
Alright. You were very witnessing to this.
I am now calling Ryan Nosling.
Your call has been forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Struggling, my friend. So, we are now going to try it with this pretty bulky phone here, Chris. I don't know what you're thinking with this. And my little Verizon phone here. And we're going to see what happens.
Alright.
Well, Ryan, we tested all 3 different phones, and the 2 Verizon ones received calls while they were inside the microwave, and the AT&T phone didn't. What do you have to say about that?
Hey, Mom, we need to switch companies.
Yep. Well, I think we should test some more stuff, because all the phones, it was just cell phones, so I think it's a little sketchy. What else do you have around your house?
We have an Xbox. We have Bluetooth. And we have a laptop.
So, we're going to test all of these things, and then we're just going to microwave something for fun. Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to Physics 101. Me and Ryan are going to demonstrate Newton's first, second, the conservation of When two objects of unequal mass collide at relatively the same velocity, then let's show you what happens.
This is Physics 101, Lesson 2.
This is Physics 101, Lesson 3, Conservation of Angular Momentum. Gravity test. We're good.
Okay, this portion of the myth experiment, we're going to be putting this Bluetooth headset into the microwave that is connected to Chris's phone that is going to be calling me, and all in the meantime, Pat's going to be playing some music while it's in the microwave with this headset.
Well, I couldn't really call it music, but... And make sure that's on.
It is.
Is it? The light's not on.
It's blinking.
Oh, okay, it's blinking. We got some music. Here we go. Woo! Wait.
And I'm going to be down there,
I'm
so
calling
no
him.
interferences happen.
I'm calling him now. I'm going to leave the door open first, and then I'm going to close it to see if there's any difference. Alright, Ryan, can you hear me? Here we go. You can hear pretty good,
Pretty
right?
good.
And now the door is closing.
It's a little messed up.
Sounds kind of weird. Open it again.
It's alright.
Oh, that sounds terrible.
That's not too good. That's not great.
No. Cool.
Did it work?
Yeah.
We're good?
Yeah.
Dude, where's your laptop?
I don't know. What the?
What is that noise?
I don't know.
I don't think the laptop's going to fit in the microwave. So, Ryan, what did we learn from doing this experiment?
Well, in the first half of this experiment, we learned that these phones, well, at least these two phones had service when they were in the microwave. The other one lost service because it's AT&T.
Yeah.
And in the second half, we found out that the Xbox controller, while it was still able to work all the way in the kitchen from my bedroom, it just lost service as soon as it went into the microwave.
But I still killed the dragon.
Yes, he did. He's very proud of that. And with the headset, it was not good.
The sound was kind of iffy.
It still worked though. I mean,
definitely-
service got through.
It definitely worked better when the door was open
Yes,
than when it was
yes.
closed.
And it was connected to a Verizon phone, so that makes a lot of sense.
Yep.
And the laptop, well, it just didn't fit. I don't know why I would even think it would just...
Alright, that concludes the experiment, and you better have liked this, because we had to get a new microwave, because the thing with glue, and it was bad. So, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
Okay, here we go.
Oh, yeah.
Not a bad
Nice.
one. That was
Solid
pretty
work.
good, yeah.
Oh.
I got him there.
What? What was it this time?
Look at the vacuum.
Why is the vacuum funny?
I don't know. I just looked at it.
Chris, move the vacuum. Get the vacuum out of here. Now the vacuum is moved.
Going, going,
How
going.
about the glue? Do you able to glue?
Rolling.
Oh, rolling?
You're rolling? Okay.
My bad. Outtake.
Are you recording?
I am recording now.
Okay. Alright, for this part of the myth experiment, we're going to put the Bluetooth headset that is connected to Chris's phone that's calling the other, and hide, hoy!
That's connected to this, which is in.
Yes, I know.
I don't even know.
I know what's going on.
Alright.
Okay, for real. Alright, that's recording.
And here we see the lovely Chris Hines in his natural habitat. Oh, and he's going back into his cage. Bye-bye.
Yes.
Alright.
You just start pinning it.
What?
This, ladies and gentlemen, is Physics 101. Newton's first, second.
One of his laws.
Newton's laws state that Ryan is gonna shaft me.